Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can take the backup from Siemens PLC S7-200 PLC to PC. I will open my webcam and I will show you which cable we will use in for the program uploading, and I will unlock this cable. So this is our cable and this is our this cable. We will connect it to our PLC and PC. First of all, we will connect this one with our. I will show you my PLC. This is my PLC S7-200, and we will use the port number 1 for programming. And after this cable, we will attach to our laptop. And the other side we will connect to our PC. So first of all, what we do, we will open our microwin soft and microwin step 7 microwin software we will open. And then we will just camera also I will open it near the top. This I will take it here, and our microwin program we will open. And here you have to be check this one first, which is your model of the PLC. For example, this is I have the model, and this is my version 2.0 2.1. And go to the first of all communications. Here is you have to be check this set PGPC interface and click OK. Again click, double click it here, and wait for some time because of this Siemens software is little heavy. And when you're making the backup, you have to be choose must be first this communication setting, because of most important thing is the communication. If your communication is not okay, your backup will be not okay. So when he says please wait, and also he is reading for the program inside which program you have. Now this is now read this CPU 224 real 2.01. That's and click it OK, and just only cancel this one. and again we will go to this upload button. Here you can see this is the upload button, and click it upload. And now you can see this PP connection is okay, and CPU also showing this is our version, this is the PLC model, and click it on the upload. As you click that upload, your program will be start uploading to the PC. Now you can see our program is successfully upload to the PC. This program is only inside the PC, and this is now uploaded. And after uploading this program, you have to go to the files, and you can save as which folder you have to be make. I make this folder for upload for S7-200. Click OK and click save. He is asking for you like to be replace it. Click it yes, I like to replace this one. Otherwise don't click no replace, make it another file name. So when it's completed, after you can go to the just program status. When you go to the program status, after you can see this main blue line will be indicated as a blue, seems to be this is status mode is okay. So now we will check this program is properly running. Already is this program inside running, but I will show you also the status of my PLC. What we can do, I will make it little organize this window, and it will make it big also. And here in camera you can see also this is our PLC. This is our PLC, and it's little zoom I will make because of you can see the PLC. Now okay, this is our PLC, and it's now in run mode. And as I click this one M0, for example, write, and when you write, your output will be energized. And here you can see also this is Q0.1 is now operated. And if you like to another relay like to be test this M01, this write just and click it right, and that other one is also on. Next one also have one relay. If like to be write this one also, click it on the right, and your other Q0.3 will be on, right? And like to be close, go to the right also, and again click to the right, your Q0.3 will be off. And again you like to close this one and click on right, and Q0.2 will be off. And next also is the M1 M0.0, again click it on the right, your all relays will be off. So this way you can take the backup from PLC, and it's very easy method. I hope you will be understand about this uploading procedure. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Also, if you need some goods for materials and the related of PLCs, Siemens S7-200, S7-300, S7-1200, all models are available with me. You can contact me in comments box. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.